I'm gonna quit drinking when I'm doing this. Loopy as crap. A lot of guys would think the Amaretto Stone Sour, oh, that's a sissy drink. I don't know. I like me a good fruity cocktail. Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today we have a requested cocktail via Facebook from a wonderful friend of mine, Dawn. Dawn and I have been friends and schoolmates, I think, since the 3rd grade, if I'm not mistaken. But I personally don't know if I've ever met a more loving and kind person than Dawn. So, Dawn, I appreciate your friendship, and today we're going to be mixing up the cocktail you requested, the Amaretto Stone Sour. We're going to start with 1.5 ounces of Amaretto. If ever I use Amaretto, I always use Di Sorono. It's magnificent. 1.5 ounces. Di Sorono is basically an almond liqueur. I'm going to follow that up with a 1/2 ounce of bourbon. And a lot of times I go with the Evan Williams bottled in bond. It just makes for a real nice mixing bourbon. 100 proof. 1/2 ounce. 3/4 ounces of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Good. Now, 1 ounce of orange juice. To be honest, Trenton and I worked on this video last week and I freshly squeezed 1 ounce of orange juice and I did not like the flavor of the cocktail when we were finished, so we scrapped it. We'll give it a try. That's very good. That's not really, it's ass. Today I'm using Simply orange juice, store-bought. I mixed it during the week, and for me, in this particular cocktail, I just like it better. So we're going to go with 1 ounce of Simply orange juice. And finally a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. We're going to get some ice in the tin and give this thing a shake. Make sure to shake it about 8 to 10 seconds. That should do it. Now this particular cocktail is what we call a mix and dump. We're not going to strain. We're just going to dump it right in our double rocks glass. Call it a day. Perfect. I'm going to garnish that with 1 single cherry on top. There you have it, the Amaretto Stone Sour. I mean, for real, that's good. Now, a lot of guys probably wouldn't order this because it's quote-unquote maybe a girl's drink, but I drink this all day long. This is one of those drinks you don't know if you take a sip of it to be polite or if you just want to suck her down. But, that's good. Thank you, Dawn, for requesting that cocktail. Man, that was delicious. If anybody else wants to request a cocktail, please feel free in the comments below. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That would surely help us out. You can follow us on Facebook, SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. We're also on Instagram at SLB Drinks. And as always, please drink responsibly. See ya. 1/2 ounce. Yeah, it's too much. That's about 1/2 ounce. All right. Okay, I'm pretty loopy. So, whoo! That Manhattan kind of put the plow to me. It's like, woo-wee! We're gonna put some ice in our tin. Hey, babe.